The 2023 W-4 for a married couple filing jointly, no kids. Let's go. IRS.gov, tax withholding estimator. All right, so the first question in step 1 asks you your filing status. Again, it's married filing jointly. Do you or your spouse have a job that regularly withholds federal income tax? We're going to hit yes. Select any that apply. I will be 65 or older January 1st. My spouse will be 65 or older. I am blind. My spouse is blind. I can be claimed as a dependent on someone else's tax return, or I plan to claim dependents on my tax return. None of these apply. If you notice, because you selected you were married, it's asking you about you and your spouse. Okay, so step 2 is asking you about income and withholdings. How many jobs will you and your spouse have this year? We're going to put 2 because it's 1 for you and 1 for your spouse. Okay, so it's going to ask you about your first source of income as well as your second source of income. Okay, so in this example, we're going to say that both of them are an hourly job, that they work all year, January through December, and they're paid twice monthly. Then it says using your or your spouse's most recent paycheck stub, and you have to enter this in. You will need the most recent pay stub for each of you. Okay, let's say the husband makes $50,000. So per paycheck, he's at about $2,083. This is his first check. So his wages year to date and wages per pay period are the same. As far as federal taxes, he paid $416 into federal taxes. He or his wife does not contribute to a 401k, nor are they eligible for any type of bonuses. The second income, his wife's, let's say she makes $45,000 per year. Her wages per pay period are $1,875, and she paid $375 into federal income tax. So both of them are paying about 20% in taxes. I know that sounds high, but listen, people are doing this every day, especially if their W-4 is filled out wrong and they're overpaying. The third step talks about adjustments to income. In this example, we're going to keep it very basic so they don't qualify for any adjustments. Then standardized or itemized deductions. They're going to take the standard deduction, which for a married couple in this example is $27,700. They don't qualify for any of these tax credits either. It shows that if they do not make any changes to their W-4, they're projected a refund of $11,345. I'm going to break this section down in a separate video so that I don't run out of time. But keep in mind, this slider right here gives you 3 different options as it pertains to your refund. So with this $11,000, they can get the entire refund at the beginning of the next year. They can get all of their refund throughout the year if they slide this to 0, or they can get some of their refund throughout the year and still get a refund the following year. It tells you exactly what to put on your W-4 form for the first job as well as the second. Fill it out and hand it in to your employer. More examples coming soon.